Hey folks, Nick with Dine Company. Today we are taking a look at the American Range Fryer, the AF50HE, and we're going to be showing you how to light it. A simple endeavor for your business, but one that is vital to keep your food going. All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is go down to your pilot knob on your gas valve, set to off, compress, and turn it to pilot, touching the red right there. Once that's done, you will hold that in, you'll hear a click, and you will hold that position for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you will take your lighter and you will put it back here to light the pilot itself. Once that pilot is lit, you will continue to hold that button for 1 minute. Once you have reached that last minute, you are free to release, turn to the on position. That pilot will stay on, and then you may adjust your thermostat as necessary. Once you want to turn it off, just as easy, go into that switch and twisting it to the off position. This process to light the pilot is going to be applicable to every American Range in the AF series. For further instructions on using your fryer, look at the manual that we are including in the link below. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Dine Company, we make food service easier.